Yo, what is up, all you fantastic credit repair business owners and credit repair hustlers? In today's video, we're going to be explaining exactly how you can get a more qualified, pre-qualified scheduled appointment. How to turn that lead into a more qualified lead so that by the time they actually hop on the phone with you, they're a lot more likely to close and you're a lot more likely to actually provide them the service and get paid for it, So let's hop straight into this video. I got asked this question actually this morning. And today, my buddy, the person I was coaching, he was like, hey, Blade, I noticed that I am getting a bunch of leads. Facebook ads are doing awesome. But I was wondering, I am making money, but I wanted to know if there's a way to qualify the lead even more so that by the time they actually hop on the call with me, they're a lot more easily to close and they're a lot more available. More specifically, what he told me is that on our funnel that we have for him, so the funnel process is they see the ad, they hop onto a landing page, they schedule an appointment, and then they fill out the survey. And what he was telling me is that the people that scheduled appointments weren't always filling out the survey. And he would like to be able to first qualify them a little bit more, and second, have the survey. When they actually have on a call, he always found out that he's on the call and he would ask these people the same questions that they could have filled out right in the survey. And he just wants to make his life a little easier. So immediately what I told him is, instead of having the order of add, landing page, schedule, survey, do add, landing page, survey, then schedule. So simply by putting the survey in before where they actually scheduled appointment will qualify them a lot more, because like I said, they're running into the problem where after scheduled appointment, they were too lazy to fill out the survey. So if you actually make them fill out the survey prior to them scheduling appointment, it will make them a lot more qualified, because it will root out those lazy people that aren't really action takers. They're only just information gatherers. But yeah, that's the one tip. A couple more tips. So obviously, you probably already know about how we make sure that every single person that hops on the phone call with us is they confirm a call, they fill out the survey, and they confirm a call. So the second tip is making sure they actually confirm that call. And there's a couple ways of doing this. So what we recently instated in our CRM that we offer to you guys is, in order for your appointment to actually get appointment reminders, they need to confirm the call first. And once they schedule that appointment, once they submit the survey, they schedule an appointment. As soon as you do that, they're instantly sent an email and text message saying, hey, you got to submit this. You got to confirm this call by responding yes. And we take our calls very seriously, so we won't hop on a call with you unless you confirmed your appointment simply by saying yes, by responding yes to this email or text message. And what we then have is we use Go High Level. By the way, if you want Go High Level for 2 weeks for free, click the link down below and check out our credit repair assets and course. So on the credit repair assets, it's going to give you all the assets you need: the ads, the targeting, the interest, the funnels, the pre-made, already done for you funnels, the already done for you ads, already done for you copy. They're already 100 different Instagram posts, Instagram and Facebook posts to keep yourself active. Well, on there, we have also 2 weeks of Go High Level for free. It's a little link that we have. But back to where we were talking about. So by making sure we have, as soon as they say yes, we have a little trigger already set in Go High Level. And what this does is, as soon as this trigger reads any response from these campaigns. So if we're asking these people and saying, hey, make sure you confirm this appointment by saying yes, the trigger sees if someone says yes to it. And if they say yes, it then confirms the appointment. It sends the client, so the credit repair business, a notification that the customer actually confirmed the appointment. And then what it goes to do is it sends them to another campaign, which pretty much does the normal, sends them appointment reminders. So pretty much the entire point of this is that they won't actually start to receive those appointment reminders until they confirm a call, because we don't want to hop on a phone call with anybody that has not already confirmed their appointment, because a lot of times those guys are just a waste of time, because they're not implementers. They're just kind of information gatherers, and they're kind of just, I'm gonna be honest, most of the time they're just lazy, and those aren't your ideal clients. And at this point, once you try out my assets, once you try out the links down below, you should be getting pre-qualified, scheduled, and confirmed appointments for $5 each. So you should have enough money available out there. I mean, if a pre-qualified, scheduled, and confirmed appointment at $5, you should be able to afford to skip an appointment every now and then. And that's freedom right there, okay? To be able to choose what client to work with and what appointment you go to, because you put systems in place that allows you to do so by making them confirm appointments, okay? So the first thing that we said, to really quickly run up. So first thing that we said is make sure you put the pre-qualification survey before they actually schedule an appointment with you. This will qualify them more. The second thing that we have is making sure that we put systems into place to make sure that they confirm appointments before we actually hop on a call with them. Okay? And the third thing that you could do, I always like doing things in 3. So the third thing that you can do to really make sure that every single time somebody hops on a call with you, that they're actually qualified to do so, well, apart from making sure that survey says like, hey, can you actually afford this and stuff like that. But the third thing that you can do to make sure that these appointments are actually qualified is simply by making sure they pull up the credit report first before they hop on a call with you. So if you find you're getting plenty of leads, and now this is really going to drive up your cost per appointment, or your cost per conversion, but pretty much make sure, so at the very end of the funnel, you can add another page saying, hey, thanks for confirming the appointment. Make sure you pull up your credit report before we actually hop on a phone call. And you can have a little website that takes them over to like a DailyIQ or whatever you guys use to pull up the credit report. Pretty much the entire point is to make sure that they actually pull up the credit report before they hop on a call with you. And I don't always recommend this, because this, like I said, it really drastically increases the conversion rate. So it makes the cost per conversion a lot higher. But if you see that you can afford to do so, if you see that you're consistently getting the pre-qualified scheduled appointments at around $5 each, and you see that the people that are coming in aren't as qualified as you want them to be, absolutely put that Identity IQ link or whatever link you have for them to pull out their credit report, put that at the end of the funnel, or put them into the confirmation sequence. So when you're sending them emails and text messages saying, hey, confirm the appointment, also include there saying, hey, make sure you pull up the credit report in order for us to actually hop on a call. This way kind of force them to pull up the credit report, and they're kind of already ready. But like I said, that last thing is kind of the last thing you should really do, because that significantly increase the cost per conversion. And you'll instantly see, if your cost per conversions, let's say it's like $10, you instantly see that go by like 10. That can instantly go up to like 80, like $90. Like we ran it for one client once. That's why I don't really recommend it. We ran it for one client once. We're doing his Facebook ads, and he was getting cost per conversions at like, I think it was like $15 in total. The appointments at $5, but the cost per conversion, actually running all the numbers, was like around $15. Which is very, very good. But what we found is that he was like, hey, is there a way we can kind of automate this, have them pretty much fill out their credit or pull up their credit report before we hop on the call with them, just to make our jobs easier. And when we actually did that and we added to the funnel, we found that the cost per conversion increased to like, I think it was like $87 on average. So instantly just spiked up that cost conversion. So that's why I always say, do that last. Put the pre-qualification survey, make sure that pre-qualification survey is good. I mean, we have on our CRM that we offer to you guys. By the way, CRM is all done for you, by the way. But on our CRM that's completely done for you, completely built out for you, we have a survey, a beautiful survey up there that will actually pre-qualify them very well. And depending on how you want to go about it, all you have to do is move that survey to before or after they schedule appointments. So let's say that you want more leads, okay? Because let's say you want more leads, you want more appointments, because say you want more appointments, you're not getting enough appointments. All you have to do is move that survey to after the scheduling. So there's a page right here where they schedule an appointment. If you want, all right, listen, if you want more leads, but there will be less quality, move that survey to after they schedule an appointment. But if you want more quality, less leads, you move that to before they schedule an appointment. This will give more quality, okay? Second thing that we have is obviously confirm an appointment, very important. And the third thing, the most drastic thing, is have a self sign up. So they sign up to like Identity IQ. But like I said, I always recommend that you kind of walk them through how to sign up on Identity IQ over the phone or something like that, because overall it's a lot more cost effective. And especially when you hire, or not even hire, I wouldn't say hire, you have on commission based closers to be able to do so, and you have like a system in place that has those commission based closers just doing that really easily. That's what you need. But thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in getting that CRM, if you're interested in getting all these assets, click the link down below and check out the course plus assets. Okay, because that will give you, like I said, it give you 100 posts, 100 value posts that you can post on your Instagram or Facebook. It's going to teach you how to make viral posts. It's a quick little 10-minute slideshow that will teach you how to make viral posts every single time. So I have the credit repair blueprint, which will teach you how to optimize your social media presence to make it a powerful lead, to make this powerful lead trap. It's going to give you the ad copy. It's going to give you the ad pictures. It's going to give you a couple of ad examples for videos so that you can kind of just model the videos yourself and just do it yourself. Because I don't recommend taking mine, because most of my clients. But like I said, it's going to give you the ad, done for your ads, done for your targeting, done for your interest-based targeting. It's going to teach you exactly how to run Facebook ads and get at least a pre-qualified scheduled appointment at $10. Thank you guys for watching. Check the link down below for those assets. If you're interested in joining our Facebook group, where we provide you guys with plenty of information, and I'm always answering questions on there. If you want to just join the team, hang out there, chill, have a good time, check out Making Millions with Credit Repair Marketing on Facebook. I also have the link down below in the little description, in the description box down below. And if you're also interested in like a strategy session where me or my team really goes through your business, points out all those loopholes, points out what systems you need to put in place to make you to give your business a little more predictability when it comes to revenue, click the link down below and be more than happy to write a proposal on what exactly you need to do to add a little more predictability in your business. Click the links down below. I give you a couple options. And I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, send me a message in the comment section below, schedule a strategy session with me, or get in contact with me. There's plenty of ways. But thank you guys for watching. If you have any other ideas for another video, if you need help with anything, comment down below. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.